Do this one-handed unboxing. New 600 watt LED. Company is Mrhau. 600 watt true spectrum. Oh, packed extremely nice. Holy moly. Cool. Very nice spaced out. More around. You guys can see that there. Alright, we'll get it out of the box now. Alright, here we are with the Mrhau. Got it plugged in. I'm going to turn her on. She's got a nice full spectrum look. Set up my extra tent that has all my nutrients and stuff just for this test. Honest review, it's brighter than a, it's nicer to look at than a blurple light, but it feels a little dim. Looks like all of them are on. Can't look at it directly, that shit burns my eyes. Maybe it's just me because the sunlight is super bright today. Oh, there we go, that looks nice, okay. So maybe it's just new. The fan is super quiet. Look, that's how close, you can't hear that shit at all. Super clean, super clean. Don't smell no wires burning or anything yet. We're gonna move some babies in here, and we're gonna see how this light works out. Oh yeah. It's up to the meter. Only pulling 100 and barely over 100 watts. 112 watts, and that's including a fan, which is blowing. Do this on, see if it gets hot or not also. Alright, we're back. Alright, it's been on for about a half an hour. Did you see that flicker? Is something actually happening? Well, it's not running hot. Fan looks like it's doing its job. Sorry. Get your hand pretty close before you even feel any warmth. Like, thumb's touching it. Doesn't really put off any heat at all. 110 watts from the wall. Mind my fucking mess back there. I had to bust all this out to do this right here. So, decent little 100 watt light on Amazon, I guess. We'll see how it goes with some plants in here, and we'll have a second video up here in a month and a half. Cheers.